everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of eBay app. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app, settings. Here you will search about eBay as you see and you will click. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.